boys and girls, we're gonna do some musical painting today, okay? All right, these are some examples from Miss Drayton's class, okay? Now, these kind of paintings where we're just listening to music and trying to paint what the music would look like, okay? Each of the students listened to the same kind of music, but they saw different lines and colors, and it doesn't look like anything. It's not supposed to look like anything, okay? Not a house, not a tree or anything like that. Okay, artwork that doesn't look like something is called non-objective art, okay? Non being not, objective is not an object, okay? So each of these students created artwork by listening to music and then painting what they thought the music looked like if they could see it, okay? So all of them look very different, okay? So there's no right or wrong with this, okay? All right, so I wanted you guys to see that. Now, so you're gonna get a big sheet of paper. Like this, and then you're gonna have your placemat underneath that. I'm gonna have a couple students pass those out so that we don't get paint all over the table. Please make sure you write your name on these because you are going to see these again, okay? All right, so you're going to use the big tray of paints and your brush, and you got to make sure you rinse out that brush, okay? Clean it off so that you guys don't get stuck with the yucky sets of paints, okay? Because if you're not using the paints the right way, then I'm going to switch it out for the bad set, okay? All right. So when the music starts, you are allowed to take your paintbrush and start painting, okay? When the music stops, then you stop painting, okay? All right, so then once it stopped, then you're going to switch. You are going to end up painting on somebody else's paper, okay? So normally we never paint on somebody else's paper, but that's what these students did. They switched, and then they would paint on the next person's paper, and they would rotate, okay? And then they would paint on that person's paper for a little bit, listen to just some different kinds of music, and then the next person, they would rotate and go ahead and paint on their piece of paper, okay? All right, when you're finished, we're gonna put these up on the drying rack. You're gonna bring the big sheet of paper up with it, and then you're gonna make sure you put it on the blue cart, okay? All right, and that's it.